ready to tap into a massive market and turn your products into profit. Today, we're diving deep into how to create a Temu seller account so you can start selling on this booming online marketplace. First, head over to the Temu Seller Center website. You'll find the link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the Seller Center, locate the Sign Up button usually found in the top right corner or center of the page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Next, you'll be prompted to fill out the registration form. Provide your email address, create a strong password, and select your business type, whether you're operating as an individual or a registered company. Be sure to accurately select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Temu will then send a verification code to your registered email address. Retrieve the code from your inbox and enter it into the designated field on the registration form to verify your account. Congratulations! You've now created your Temu seller account. You'll be redirected to your seller dashboard. This is where you'll manage your product listings, process orders, and adjust your account settings. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, let's get your products listed. Click on the product listing or add product section here. You'll need to fill out all the necessary information for each product, including a compelling product name, a detailed description, high-quality images, the price, and your available inventory. Before you start selling, make sure you read and understand the Temu Seller Agreement. This document outlines the terms and conditions of selling on the platform. It's essential for a smooth and compliant selling experience. And that's it. You're now ready to start selling on Temu. Be sure to optimize your product listings and provide excellent customer service to maximize your success on this rapidly growing platform. Good luck.